Brand new camshaft from Raceco. There you go. Have a look at this. Right? Or carbon steel. Crankshaft. Nearly. Have a look. Have a look. Have a look. Right, that's the tungsten bolt has been put in and cut in. That's the sign of balance. The crank has been balanced by Bussin Down Engineering. Look. Let's bring it upwards. Hang on a second. Gotta let this go. Okay. Yep. Let's do it again. And about to let things go. Over there. There you go. Alright. So brand new flange bearings. As you can see. Safety tabs. Same thing at the back. Brand new bearing with safety tabs all around there. Beautiful. I was just waiting for the bits. Oh, waiting for what? Just exchanged these, right? These two new things from the old ones. Have a look at that. Right? See this? Discoloration and unevenness in there. Right, so I've changed from all these. Look at that. Look how uneven. Right. That to these brand spanking new ones. Unfortunately, them and my piston pins don't match, so we're gonna have to ream them. Today's Saturday, everything's already closed, and Monday's bank holiday, so not up until Tuesday we can be able to do that. So yay! So happy. There's the rest. Pistons, 1000cc big bore kit. Cylinders. Pistons are here already with piston rings attached, spread in 120-degree fashion. Right, cylinder heads already done, lapped, water tested, all in there. Right, right. Have a look at this. Have a look at that. It's all polished. You can't really see because it's all oily, but that's what it is. Oh, just waiting for a few bits, and so we can go.